Hey guys, Brent here and welcome to another Share, Inspire, Create photography tutorial. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how I took this image and I made this beautiful black and white image out of it. Notice the first image has got these bright blue distracting overcoats from these two Hindu boys at a ceremony, or men at a ceremony, and then the black and white image focuses our attention on the boy who's in the middle with a beautiful smile. Stick around and watch how I did it. Hey guys, Brent here and welcome back. So I'm currently in Bali, so you might hear some roosters crowing in the background or scooters beeping. I apologize for that. But I photographed these images in Bali just a couple of days ago, and I wanted to show you how I created a black and white image and I got rid of certain colors, distracting colors, so that I can make it a more compelling image. And I'm creating this for my bootcamp members because right now we've got a black and white challenge happening, and I wanted to show my members, you hopefully who are watching, how to get rid of those distracting blue colors. So I'll just get rid of the information. Well, there we go. You can see I photographed this at f2.8 on a Lumix point and shoot mirrorless camera, and I let the shutter speed and the aperture put them in order. I photographed in aperture priority mode f2.8 to get that shallow depth of field. Alright, so there's the original image. Here's the final image. Okay, so what did I do? So let's go to the develop module. Let's go back to right to the beginning when I imported this image. There we go, perfect. And I'll show you what I did, or what I'm going to do. I'll do that now. Okay, so the first thing I normally do with these is I crop them. Okay, so let's crop this image. Let's get rid of some of the distractions if we can, just by cropping. It might get rid of most of the distractions. There we go. That's already done quite a bit. There we go. I might even crop a little more off the side here, so we can get these two guys to frame our main subject. There he is over there. Perfect. Now all I do is on the right hand side here, I just go to black and white. Boom. Alright, so it's in black and white now. Not a bad image, except their blue coats are distracting me from the main subject in the middle there. So I'm framing the main subject by these two guys. So I want to darken those coats, and this is the main point of this exercise, is how in black and white you can actually darken, you can change the luminosity of certain colors. So in Lightroom, on the right hand side here, you got the hue, saturation, luminance, color, and a black and white panel. So click on the black and white panel, and then you click on this little color picker. Click once on there, and you move over to one of these blue coats. You click, hold down, and you drag the mouse down, and you notice that it's just darkening the blues. Have a look on the right in the panel. You notice the blues have darkened over here. And I can go up and down with the blues, left and right, and you notice it just darkens that one color. Okay, and it hasn't done anything to the boy in the middle. So I might go over there. See how good that is? Just that alone has created a massive difference. So let's go before. Here we go. Go to black and white, and then I change to there. Look at that. Wow. What a difference already. All right. So the other thing we might do is we might go to the grass in the background there, and we might darken the grass because I want that boy to stand out even more, which are the green. So I click again on the color picker. I click in the green grass and I drag it down a bit. And you notice the green grass goes down a bit, and the foliage behind him. All right. So the green and the yellow went down. So that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. There we go. From a image, when we converted it to black and white that looks like this, to changing the luminosity of certain colors and it looks like this, and it's already such a better image. So what we might do here is I might just up the exposure a little bit, so I got his face nicely exposed, and I may bring the blacks down. No, we'll keep the blacks there. I might bring the highlights up a little bit. Perfect. That's it. Let's have a look at the before image. Whoops, there we go. Before image, after image. You notice how black and white is so much better when it comes to bright colors like this. Here I'm looking at the boy in the middle, beautiful smile. The original image, I'm I'm distracted by these two blue jackets that these guys are wearing at this Hindu ceremony. That's it, guys. So there's your lesson for today. I had a great time at this Hindu ceremony. I photographed quite a lot of things. It was a cremation ceremony, so they dig up a body that's been in the earth for 4 years and they cremate it. Amazing to witness that on our way to Ubud in Bali. That's it, guys. Comment below this video and I will reply to your comments. Catch you later. Bye.